Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Weather is getting better and better here in UK, and I don't know how about you, but I'm definitely upgrading my space. So today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful aged rustic pots using a simple DIY technique. These pots will add aged rustic touch to your indoor or outdoor space. Believe it or not, designer pots are a little bit pricier, so I thought it would be fun to develop a technique to do this at home, as many as you want. So let's get into DIYs. I picked this terracotta pot from IKEA and it was good price for this size. If I'm not mistaken, was less than £15. And for this technique, all we are going to need is a paint. Start by applying a coat of paint to your pot, covering it completely. Once the paint has dried, I'm just going to go ahead and make my own color, and the reason is I don't have the ones I needed. It's always good to improvise and make one for yourself. I just mixed together the calico brown and black paint. So next I'm going to show you how to apply, and I'm going to use a wet paper towel. If you don't have, you can use sponge or cloth, and I will show you the difference between wet and dry application. So first I'm going to apply with the dry paper towel and you will see the difference. I'm just dipped a little bit of the paper towel in the water and then picked up some of the calico paint, start dabbing, and you can see straight away how it helps to blend everything together and just makes everything appear much more natural, and this is very buildable. So if you think that the paint is too thin, you can always add more. So once I was happy with the layers, I wanted to mix together the green and the black paint just to create a very natural dark green color. So from there I just repeat the same technique that we did with the first and the second colors, dabbing and blending out. For the fourth layers, I'm only applying a dark brown color and only focus on the areas that would naturally build up dirt over the times, like the bottom of the pot or rim. And you can apply as many layers as you want and any color palette which suits your environment. So once your paint completely dry, use the cloth or paper towel to apply clear wax to seal and protect the paint. For the last step, I'm applying a dark wax. This will add depth and dimension to your pot, makes it look even more aged and weathered. Once the wax has dried, it is ready to be filled with your favorite plants or herbs. Hopefully you've picked up a few tips and tricks along the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.